Layered colours create beautiful definition and depth in pillar candles. In this video, we're showing you how to make autumn bubble pillar candles, including tips on achieving a clean, crisp layers for a professional finish. A list of all the ingredients and the equipment will be provided in the description below, along with links to the products. To create the bubble candles, we are using our Silicone large bubble candle mould and Silicone small bubble candle mould. These moulds create the bubble effect on the pillar candles with precision and ease. Start by ensuring your moulds are clean and dry. Use your thermometer to carefully pierce a hole through the base of each mould, just large enough to thread the wick through. Feed the wick into the mould, keeping the sustainer at the top. This will become the base of your candle once it's unmoulded. Next, melt 300 grams of ProSoy Pillar Wax in your wax melter. Be sure to use pillar wax and not container wax, as it's precisely formulated to hold its shape once set. At this stage, it's time to add your fragrance. We're using 10% load, so with the 300 grams of wax, that's 30 grams of autumn fragrance oil. Now let's add colour. For the first layer, use a small amount of yellow candle dye to create a light, soft base. Stir until the colour is smooth and uniform. Now it's time to pour the wax into the candle mould. We use our 1.2 litre funnel to help pour with more precision. Make sure you fill up just to the first row of the bubbles. With this mould design, it's easy to keep the layers consistent across each candle. Allow the first layer to set before preparing onto the next stages. For the second layer, we are repeating the process but adding a little bit more yellow dye and adding orange dye for a slightly deeper shade. Repeat the pour, fill into the next layer of bubbles and leave to set. Continue this process for the third and final layer, deepening the orange colour by only adding orange dye. Once filled to the top of the mould, leave the candles to set undisturbed overnight. After 24 hours, it's time to unmould. Take your time, there's no need to rush. Once you've demoulded your candles, trim the wicks around 5mm from the top of the candle and you're done. You've just made your own autumn bubble pillar candles, perfect for gifting, selling or adding a cosy seasonal vibe to your space. Subscribe for more videos like this.